In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PDF document directly in Gemini, Google Gemini. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first things first, go ahead and open up Google Gemini and sign into your account. Then from here, I'm on Google Chrome. So if you're on another extension browser, go to your extensions. So in Google Chrome, click on the three dots. Then from here, we need to look for extensions. Then inside extensions, go ahead and visit the Chrome web store. Now we need to do a search. So we need to download a AI chat to Word PDF. Click enter. So basically type this in: AI chat to Word PDF and Google Docs for Gemini. So it's key to put in for Gemini. And then from here, click on the first one by thinksolve.com. Now you want to go ahead and add this to Chrome and then click on add extension again. And now that should go ahead and add that to your extension list. So here it is here. All right, so these extensions don't need to see and change information on the site. So yeah, that's it there. Now from here, go back to Google Gemini. You can exit out of those web pages and just do a refresh on your page here. Now when you refresh it, you're going to see some information here. So we've got exports the entire conversation to Google Docs, Word and PDF. So that's the one we want to use. So what I'm doing for this demonstration, I'm just going to get Gemini to create me a two-page ebook on astrology, and I'm going to hit submit. Now from here, I want to turn this into a PDF. So once it finishes writing this up, so now you want to go ahead and click on the PDF. So it's going to export the entire conversation as a PDF file. So now as we can see, exporting file, please wait. So just give that a few moments to run. Then from here, just save it where you want in your downloads. Now I'm going to open it up. So from here, I'm going to go to my downloads. Now if I go ahead and double click this Gemini content, I want to just open in Microsoft Edge. You can see this has created that PDF for me from Google Gemini.